Welcome back everybody. In today's video I'm going to be prepping the lawn for the lawn seed. This is part 2 of the 2-part series. I'm going to be mowing the grass as short as I can get it, along with dethatching it real well, going over it with a plug aerator, and then I'll be placing the lawn seed down and fertilizing. So stay tuned. Who says your lawn has to be dark green to be able to stripe it like this? I do have a video on the lawn striper I made. If you guys want to check it out, it's I'll put a link in the description for the video. It'll pretty much stripe any lawn, weeds, grass, dead grass. So be sure and check out the other video on building my lawn striper. The next step I'm going to do is dethatch it real good. I'm just using this tine dethatcher with a 30-inch lawn sweeper. And I'm going to go back and forth really well, get it dethatched as best as I can. Alright, this will be the final step before I go ahead and seed and fertilize. I'm going to plug aerate. I'm using this Perennial plug aerator. The final 2 steps are going to be seeding. I've got this AgriFab broadcast spreader. This is a Perennial Ryegrass mixture that I picked up online. Now I'm going to be applying this Award Turf starter fertilizer, and then the final steps will be to turn on the sprinklers and water it 3 to 4 times a day. Now that I got it all seeded down, fertilized, the final step is to keep it watered. So I'm going to end this video here. Make sure you check back in a week or 2. I'm going to be giving updates as the lawn progresses and starts to germinate. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.